Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to use Grammarly in Google Forms. So let's get started. For that, we can simply get into Grammarly app, make sure you have downloaded it, and under apps over here, we need to turn on or install Grammarly for Windows and Grammarly for Chrome. And if you have not done it, simply click on install button over here, or you can reinstall it as well. Now let's get into Google Forms, that is docs.google.com/forms, and we get into this interface. And if you tap on this over here, we can see Grammarly. Simply tap on this one, and here it asks us to sign up. Simply click on sign up to continue using Grammarly on Google Forms. So after signing up to Grammarly, you'll finally be able to use Grammarly on Google Forms here. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.